In today's video, I'm going to show you how to undo and redo changes in Adobe Illustrator quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or someone who works on complex vector designs every day, knowing how to properly use undo and redo can save you a huge amount of time and frustration. If you've ever accidentally moved an object, deleted part of your design, or applied the wrong color or effect, don't worry. Illustrator makes it incredibly easy to go backward and forward through your recent actions. Make sure to watch until the end so you fully understand how this works. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about using the menu to undo a change. At the top of your screen, click on Edit in the menu bar. From the drop-down list, you'll see the option labeled Undo. It will usually show the last action you performed. For example, undo move or undo fill. Simply click undo, and Illustrator will instantly reverse your most recent action. This is perfect if you prefer using on-screen navigation or if you're still learning the software layout. Now let's say you changed your mind and actually want that action back. This is where redo comes in. Again, go to the top menu, click Edit, and then select Redo. Illustrator will reapply the action you just undid. This is extremely useful when you're experimenting with different design choices and want to compare versions quickly without manually repeating steps. While the menu method works well, there's a much faster way to undo and redo changes, and this is what most professionals use. Let's move on to keyboard shortcuts. To undo using your keyboard, simply press Ctrl and Z at the same time if you're on Windows. This instantly reverses your last action. The great thing about Illustrator is that you can press Ctrl and Z multiple times to step backward through several actions. So if you made 5 changes and want to go back to where you started, just keep pressing Ctrl and Z until you reach the desired point. This makes correcting mistakes incredibly fast and smooth. Now let's talk about redoing actions using the keyboard. If you've undone something and want to bring it back, press Ctrl, Shift, and Z together. This will redo the action and move you one step forward in your action history. Just like undo, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Z multiple times to move forward through several previously undone steps. One important thing to understand is that undo and redo follow your action history in order. If you undo a few steps and then perform a brand new action, Illustrator will clear the forward redo history from that point. So keep that in mind when experimenting with changes in your design. Using these shortcuts consistently will dramatically speed up your workflow. Instead of navigating through menus every time, your hands stay on the keyboard, allowing you to work more efficiently and focus on creativity rather than correcting mistakes. To quickly recap, if you want to undo a change using the menu, go to Edit and click Undo. To redo using the menu, go to Edit and click Redo. For the fastest method, press Ctrl and Z to undo, and press Ctrl, Shift, and Z to redo. Simple, fast, and essential for every Illustrator user. That's it. Now you know exactly how to undo and redo changes in Adobe Illustrator. These small shortcuts might seem basic, but they are some of the most powerful tools you can use when designing. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.